Hi guys, Anika here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an interactive map like this one. So there is a plugin named Interactive Image Map in WordPress.org. It's actually free. So I've learned about this when we were working on this website and it was set up using that plugin. So you could have like a map image and you could link those to your specific pages. So how does the plugin work is first you install that in your WordPress site. Under plugins, under the sidebar nav, there's draw attention. So you could create a new one in there and then it will allow you to give it a name, title, and then you could set some highlighting style for the color, info box, and so on. But for this setup, all you need to do is upload the image of your map and then you add those area where you need to add the link. So example, for the first clickable area, in here it is the group. So when I edit that, you can see that I could reshape this if I need to. And I could put some title, set the link, set it to open a new tab if I want. Once you have finished setting this up, in the edit page, so example in here, so there is a shortcode provided. Now this means that you can only use this for one map. You cannot create more than one. I'm not sure if it has a pro version, haven't really checked yet, but I just want to share this to you in case you're planning to create a map with a link. Like in this example, they have this in their homepage to guide more your members for which areas of your website you want them to or they can go through.